Okay, it arrived from Norway via Celtic Web Merchant in Germany. My Ulfberth shield, and supposedly this is a buckler, but I'm sure it's not a buckler, but it's advertised as one. It's a rectangular buckler. Bucklers, as far as I'm aware, have one handle right in the middle, and this supposedly will have a strap, and we are about to find out in a moment. So let's open it up. Wow, it's exciting when my goodies arrive. Here we go. Let's have a look. See, open it down there. A little bit more encouragement. Down goes the box, and I see it. Oh, okay. The box is pretty squished, and I'm pretty sure this seems to be sturdy enough. So let's open it up and find out. So, is it a Taj? Taj is one of those Scottish ones, isn't it? Or I want to say Rondache. The Italian one is also round. So one is Scottish, the Taj is the Scottish one. That's a small buckler sized shield that straps on. And Rondache, someone tell me what it is. I'll look it up later, what the Italian round shield with the straps are. So I can't hold it up like a like a buckler. In theory, I should be able to wear this a lot longer. A wee bit heavy, not too bad though. Let's see, how do we get in? Get in there, we're very, very close. Ooh. There we go, there we have it. So part of the reason why I'm dressed with only one sleeve is because I believe this is Renaissance rather than medieval, and it's padded. So let's have a look first before I put it on. There we go, can you see that? Alright, so I've got my handle here and a strap here. I love this little detail. Can you see that with the curves? Isn't that something? So, 2mm steel, rolled edges, padding, leather in the centre, so any percussive hits to the armour should be somewhat okay. There we go, let's get that strapped in firmly. And come on, nearly there, and we're in. I want to tighten that up. Oh, okay, so not bad. I've got my sword here. I'll play around with that in a moment. But that's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. There's room, I would imagine, for a glove to go in there, a gauntlet of some sort. But as this is a street weapon rather than a battle weapon, then I think I'm doing all right with this. Bot like that. Let's have a look. All right, draw the sword. That comes out like that. Okay, nice. Oh, I like. Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. What do you think? I suppose, putting that there, I could, there we go, now we're talking. Alright, so pretty cut and thrust with this. I think I'll probably have a rapier rather than an arming sword at this juncture, but it's the same deal. It's manageable, it's doable. Ooh, better watch out, party people. Next time I see you, I will be armed on the battlefield. Laters, bye-bye.